Today I am reviewing the GoPro Hero. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The GoPro Hero is one of the most versatile and compact action cameras on the market, designed to capture your adventures in stunning detail no matter where life takes you. Whether you're hitting the slopes, exploring nature, going for a swim, or just documenting your everyday experiences, the GoPro Hero is built to handle it all with ease. One of the first things you notice about the GoPro Hero is its ultra-compact and lightweight design. Weighing only 86 grams and being 35% smaller in volume compared to the Hero 12 Black. This camera is small enough to carry in your pocket, backpack, or mount to your body, helmet, or gear without adding any bulk. Its portability makes it perfect for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and content creators who want a camera that's ready to go wherever their adventures take them. Despite its small size, the Hero is built tough. It features the legendary GoPro durability and is completely waterproof up to 16 feet, 5 meters. This means you can take it into the pool, on a river kayaking trip, or even capture action in light rain or snow without worrying about damaging your camera. The rugged construction also makes it resistant to shocks, dust, and general wear and tear, making it a reliable companion for high-energy activities like biking, climbing, or off-road adventures. When it comes to capturing content, the GoPro Hero excels. It records Ultra HD 4K video, which delivers incredibly detailed and sharp footage, even in fast-moving action scenes. The 4K resolution ensures that every jump, trick, or scenic view is captured with clarity, making it perfect for editing into high-quality videos later. Along with 4K video, the camera also takes 12MP photos, ensuring your still shots are crisp, vibrant, and full of life. Additionally, using the GoPro Quik app, you can grab 8MP photos directly from your videos, giving you flexibility in choosing the perfect shot even after filming. One of the most appealing aspects of the GoPro Hero is how easy it is to use. With its touchscreen interface and simple controls, you don't need to be a professional to capture breathtaking footage. Framing your shot and pressing the shutter button is all it takes to start recording, whether it's handheld, body-mounted, or attached to a piece of gear. This simplicity makes the Hero ideal for beginners and professionals alike, ensuring that you can focus on enjoying your activity instead of fumbling with settings. The GoPro Hero also comes with a useful set of accessories right out of the box. Included are a curved adhesive mount, a mounting buckle with a thumb screw, and a USB-C cable. These accessories allow you to attach the camera to helmets, bikes, or flat surfaces easily, giving you multiple angles and perspectives to capture your adventures in unique ways. Whether you're filming from a first-person perspective or getting cinematic shots, the included mounts make it incredibly versatile. Beyond its hardware, GoPro has also designed this camera to integrate seamlessly with the GoPro Quik app, allowing you to edit and share your photos and videos quickly. You can trim clips, create montages, add music, and even share your favorite moments to social media in just a few taps. This app's support adds a layer of convenience that enhances the overall experience and ensures that your memories are ready to enjoy and share instantly. Overall, the GoPro Hero is a compact, rugged, and user-friendly action camera that delivers incredible image quality in both video and photo formats. Its ultra-portable design, waterproof build, and simple controls make it perfect for anyone who wants to capture life's adventures without compromise. From outdoor sports enthusiasts to travelers, vloggers, and casual users, the GoPro Hero is built to capture the action wherever it happens, producing vivid, professional-looking footage every time. In conclusion, whether you're looking to document high-intensity adventures, family vacations, or daily life moments, the GoPro Hero provides a powerful and flexible tool that ensures every memory is captured in stunning detail. Lightweight, durable, and capable of recording 4K video and 12MP photos, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to take their content to the next level while keeping things simple, portable, and fun.